Everyone, it's Lace, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pot pie out of the leftovers of your turkey. And this is what it looks like, so continue watching. First I'm going to start off with putting 2.5 cups of flour into a bowl. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. And then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to whisk this all together to incorporate the sugar, salt, and flour together. Once that's done, I'm going to set it off to the side. And then I'm going to start to cube my butter. A whole 2 sticks of butter. Now that that's all cubed, I'm going to add it to the flour mixture. And then I'm going to take a pastry cutter and mix it all together until I get pea-sized pieces throughout. Once that's done, just like that, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water and then take a rubber scraper and mix it all together until I get the consistency that I want. May have to add a little more water just to be on the safe side to get the consistency. And then mix it with my hands until I form the dough. Then I'm going to continue mixing it and then separate the dough into 2 separate pieces for the top and bottom part of the crust for the pot pie. Then I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'm going to roll out the bottom crust for my pot pie, and I'm using tin foil. Cling wrap or plastic wrap does work better, but this was all that I had. Then once that's all rolled out, I'm going to set that or put that into the bottom part of my pie plate, and then you have to gently take the tin foil off of the dough so it doesn't break, and then slowly take the top part off of the dough because it does stick worse than what cling wrap would have done. Then I'm going to pat it in and get all the bottom air bubbles out, and since one of my corners didn't have enough, I'm going to take what's left over on the other side and put onto that side. Then I'm going to put little score marks on the bottom of the plate and then pre-bake this pie crust for about 10 minutes. Now that my gravy is done, I'm going to add my favorite seasoning, Creole seasoning, just to add a little zing. Then I'm going to take minced garlic and add that. And then I'm going to add some minced onion. And then mix it all together and then set my gravy off to the side. Then I'm going to roll out the top part of my crust and then set it off to the side. Now that I've got my turkey pieces that I want, I'm going to cube them so that way it is more bite-sized within the pot pie. Now that my pie crust is pre-baked, I'm going to add some of the turkey pieces to the bottom of the plate. And then I'm going to add some potatoes that I had pre-cooked. Then I'm going to add some rinsed and drained sweet corn, and then some green beans for the vegetable part of my pie. Then on top of that, I'm going to add the rest of my turkey and then add my gravy to that. And the gravy will go down into the little crevices, so no worries. Then after I've put my top crust on, I'm going to score the top to let out any air, and then I'm going to bake it for about 40 minutes. And there is the finished product. Like, comment, or subscribe. I randomly put up videos. Have yourself a merry little Christmas and a happy New Year. Bye!